Hey, what's up, everybody? My name is Maxwell Pepper. I'm a software developer from Austin, Texas, and today I wanted to talk about my new Chrome extension called XRP News Today. XRP is a digital asset created by a company called Ripple Labs. As you can see, I have their website pulled up here. They're gaining popularity more and more each year. I really like this project. They've got a lot of big customers, a lot of banks across the world, a lot of private companies, and I basically wanted to create a Chrome extension that could monitor the price of this digital asset and also provide all the upcoming news and current news that's coming out about this project. So let me go over to the extensions tab. And as you can see, I have the extension installed here. It's called XRP News Today. So we can just go ahead and I'll disable it and then re-enable it. And this is what it looks like. So you click on it up here. And what it's going to do is it's going to update every 10 seconds with the current price of the asset. And it's also going to grab all of the trending news articles that basically have the keyword XRP in it. And as you can see, there's a lot of different news: Yahoo Finance, Bitcoinist. So if you wanted to read some news about it, you could just click on one of these links, and it will provide you with the current news about the asset. So, guys, this was just a project that I did for fun, and I just wanted to go ahead and share it with you. So, go ahead and give me a like if you could, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.